not quite like this. Thank God they miss. What about what ifs? Used to work double shifts, mix hash and our spliffs. Thank mama for the gifts, the love that she give, and the hope she restored. When pops at the door, what's right for you, maybe wrong for yours. Pick a nigga, any nigga, point him out, watch me get him. I'ma hit him, I'ma split him, let me show you how I'm living. Thug life, Tricky P, fan first, this is me. This is poison mixed with a little bit of Hennessy. And your bitch into me, not to mention I'm the shit. Bust down both wrists, Escalades on the 6. Shout out DJ Lexo, Don Perignon Cole, Sylvester Stallone, Swole, pockets on whoa. To the entry track, what you said, cause I heard all of that. Bitch, you ain't bad, you're not a dime, your ass flat. And I be sprinting to the money like a nigga flash. Open up the bag, had you seen so much cash? Nights like this, not quite like this. Thank God they miss. What about what ifs? Used to work double shifts, mix hash and our spliffs. Thank mama for the gifts, the love that she give, and the hope she restored. When pops at the door, focus on mine, you should be watching yours. Now this ain't the verse, but here go the chorus. What's right for you, maybe wrong for yours.
My way, I've been moving, I've been hitting, getting it my way. In my lane, getting that traffic off the highway. She been stalking on my page, all in my space. She been waiting on the dick. Bitch, I grind so hard, I need a skateboard.
Share all. Man, this first shit is real, my nigga. Yeah. Man, this fan first shit so all real. All day, my nigga. Y'all don't even get it. All day, my nigga. I'ma tell you, nigga. I'm on my job. High as the class, so we rollin' the weed. Hella G's with me, you notice the peas. Tricky P brought me, you notice the wings. Fan first to team home, you know what that mean. We all in the streets to provide for a seed. You paparazzi, you alive for the lead. We fire with me, it'll light up the scene. I stand on the stand just to lie to be free. You real to the core, you remind me of me. Serving them nines just to line up them G's. Whipping the work with the slightest of ease. That's Pretty Ricky, you slow grind for the streets. Pleasure P, good jug, so leak. Self-examination made me conceited. I noticed the time in the fight with the demons to burn them alive and to rise like a phoenix. I told the little hoes not to fuck with me, bitch. Tissy rocket, how much licks I didn't hit. Light an instant, man, your boy is the shit. I heard your new stuff, it's annoying as shit. Tramp from a dog, from a boy to a bitch. I play with these hoes like a toy to a kid. Jumped off the porch as I fell out the crib, just a shot to a grand. I'm a coy little kid. Still wear Teflon under my shirt. If it's up there, then we all on alert. Turned off notifications alert. Don't be surprised if I knock me a nurse. She out here searching tricky on search. Google search to be precise. Seems I've been real for all of my life. The stars have aligned and we all in alliance. Yeah.
Fan first is the shit. We poppin' the bottles. In this bitch and we lit. You call her, we got him. Yeah. We in this bitch lit. We in this bitch deep. Our pockets is flooded. VVS on the sheets.
Say she got a thing for a self-made boss. Said mother showed her how to pick a breadwinner. Type of kid you gotta run a bath for, cook dinner. Let her count cash and he always gon' lend it. Always count his blessings when he worn in the arena. People chant breaking bread all in the casino. Love his whole crew and a whole bunch of people. Trying to live good but he fighting with the evil. Damn, I think my nuts just as big as my ego. Doesn't make me crazy, can somebody call CeeLo? Stand on this mob shit, call her Al Pacino. Fan first, new car, the 2020 Nino.
And I'm with all that like I'm Keenan and Kel. Don't believe me, come and see for yourself. Can't see me, boy, read and reap it in braille. I seen it all happen, ain't nothing to tell. We treat these hoes like it's something to sell. You wine and dine like it's something to tell. I wasn't here, I'd be running the deal. Just a man in the mirror in love with himself. For us to eat, I say tough for myself. But fuck it, I'm jigging like fuck what you spell. Just ducking and dodging and bullets in jail. Just rolling around till I'm rolling in wealth.
Said she want a nigga like Tony Montana. Ride around town with a big banana. Mind your manners, don't need a bandana. Pay for a titty, then her ass got fatter.
I move and I hit that little bitch in the bladder. Lucky I picked that little bitch out the rapture. If we poppin' bottles, that bitch is a natural. With plans on the crown, trying to swallow the castle. Whoa.
Fan first is the shit. We poppin' the bottles. In this bitch and we lit. You call her, we got him. Yeah. We in this bitch lit. We in this bitch deep. Our pockets is flooded. VVS on the sheets.
Yeah.
Bye.